Hello guys, how are you today? My name is Luca and this is my kitchen, welcome. In these times where it's difficult to find ingredients to make recipes, I decided to make something with what I've found in my cupboard. I found 2 cans of chickpeas, 1 can of chopped tomatoes, onions and some spices. So let's cook a chickpeas curry. We have 2 cans of chickpeas, 400 grams each, 3 onions, 1 can of chopped tomatoes, parsley, 2 red chillies, a piece of ginger, 1 lemon, 3 garlic cloves, salt, extra virgin olive oil, and a mix of spices. Here I've got Garam Masala, ground cumin and turmeric. You can use the spices that you like. Peel the ginger. It's easy to do it with a teaspoon. Roughly chop the onions and place in a blender. Add the chopped ginger, chillies with no seeds. And garlic. Blitz until finely chopped. Pour in a pan 400 ml of cold water, chickpeas and salt and bring to the boil. Add in a pan extra virgin olive oil. Add the onions, chili, ginger and garlic mix. Cook for about 10 minutes at medium heat. When the chickpeas start boiling, turn off the hob and set aside. After 10 minutes, add spices, stir and add 2 tablespoons of chickpeas water. After 5 minutes, add chopped tomatoes and stir. Add again 2 tablespoons of chickpeas water and a pinch of salt. Guys, what a smell! It's going to be good. After about 5 minutes, add chickpeas, along with their water. Stir, cover and let it cook for about 10 minutes. See you in 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add the lemon juice and parsley. The chickpeas are ready. It's very good, super good. The spices, delicious.